Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards. Sagittarius, for your moon energies, I'll be picking one card, guys, and for your love guidance, that will be the card. So we will see what it is as we proceed. So let's start with the cards for your general energies, guys. Sagittarius, and I have the pick a card love reading for y'all, guys, that will follow this general guidance. If you want more clarity, you can watch that reading. Sagittarius, so in your circumstances today, maybe in your personal life, in this relationship, there may be some arguments going on. Maybe yourself and your person, you may not find that understanding. You love them, they love you, but for some reason there is some quarrels or fights in this connection. Something not happening as it should, something missing. Maybe you're quite anxious about the future, thinking what this person will do, whether they will come back to you or whether they will leave you. So some kind of anxiety, stress is there in this relationship. You're worried about something, guys, and today you are trying to adapt yourself, trying to be really flexible in this relationship, trying to understand them, trying to be that true friendly person. But still there are a lot of things you need to adjust, things you need to change for them, and it is quite demanding. This relationship may be quite demanding on you. And Sagittarius, maybe for some of you, this person you love, they may be sending some important communication. It may be in the form of letters or emails or a message. So if you are away from them, they are sending you some important information, some message, telling you what they truly feel or what is their intention. So maybe for some of you looking at these messages, you may feel really worried, because you may feel that you are also the reason for things going in this way in this relationship. So for your moon energies, guys, let's see what is your moon energy today. Finding that balance, that is what this card means, guys. So whatever your situation may be in your life, maybe you need to be more practical. You need to think what will work. So instead of just dreaming and living in a fantasy world, you must take that responsibility and finding that balance in your day-to-day activities, being really practical and doing things in a practical way, that is going to help you. So simply expecting certain things, dreaming about certain outcomes in your life, in your love situation or in your work, is not going to help you in any way, guys. And you are in that romantic phase of your life, maybe expecting, just fantasizing about your life, about your future. But today you must follow your intuition and be really practical. That is what is going to help you today, guys. And maybe this person you are with, this is a special card, guys. They may be your soulmate. That may be the reason they are here with you. They are here in this connection. Maybe all that troubles, whatever it was, it may be because of your that take it easy attitude of yours, you must change that, guys. You must change that, and that is going to work well for you, and you are going to get super realistic. That is going to help you today, Sagittarius. So for your love guidance, friendliness, again a very apt card for you all today. So you need to be that person whom support and encourage others. So you can start with a smile. That is going to change everything. That is going to change the way people see you and the way people relate to you. And you need to open your heart to your person without any expectation or conditions involved. That is going to build that true soulful friendship between you both. That is going to help you today in this relationship, Sagittarius. So that is the energy, guys, with these cards. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, please stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Sagittarius. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's start with the first card. So for those who chose this card, it says 12 Dancing Princess, Enchantment. So maybe in your circumstances, in your relationship or in your situation today, you are in love with someone deeply and you are willing to let go of your dreams and freedoms for this love. You are willing to sacrifice your dreams. But before doing that, you must find out whether this love is worth it, whether this love is worth letting your dreams die. So you must think and decide for yourself, guys. Think honestly within your heart of hearts whether it will be truly worth taking up something, some greater responsibility, something that involves giving up your freedom, giving up something you love. And you need to be clear if you are making some important choices today. You must do it with clarity. And maybe whatever confusion or doubts you have today, you will find the right person, the person who will be worthy of you, worthy of your love. So that person is coming towards you. But before that, you need to understand what you truly want. You must know what is your expectation and what are your dreams. And no matter what your situation is, you are changing, you are growing so much emotionally and spiritually, and there is a greater maturity happening within yourself. You may not understand it, but you are changing so much emotionally and spiritually. So that is the energy with this card, guys, and you will be taking up greater responsibilities that involves your a lot of burdens on your shoulders maybe. But if it is something concerning you giving up something for this responsibility, you must think twice whether it is truly worth it, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. So let's see what is the second card for those who chose this second card. This is a Crystal Spirits card, guys, and it says Carnelian. So with this Crystal Spirit, it just means that there is strength in any relationship if you allow yourself to be vulnerable, because being intimate and building that trust can only be done when you let yourself be seen truly what you really are in your heart of hearts. So you must be confident that all you have to offer to your partner, confident about all you have, and that way your relationship will flourish, guys. So this Crystal Spirits reminds you that you are a wonderful person as you are, and you can be happy. Rest assured, hold your head high, because you are a good person and you can be confident thinking of that, and you are that pillar of strength, beautiful, and you are an unique spirit, and you deserve the relationship you want for yourself. And this Crystal Spirit's guidance is that universe is working that you see that you have that relationship you simply wish to have. So you can feel confident, be confident in your own skin, be who you are, trying to be really open about what you truly feel and show this other person what you are. That way you are building this relationship on truth and trust, and that will work magically, guys, and you will have a better understanding with each other. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card, guys. Thank you guys for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestion. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.